How to change Facebook phone number. Now, this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. And this is also, as you can see in the title, with the new updated Facebook settings. So if this video is helpful, let me know in the comments and let's get started. So what you want to do is simply go to the menu. And then right here at the top right corner, you can see the settings icon. Now, if you click on there, you can actually see that the settings look quite a bit different than they used to. Now, in order to actually do this, you want to go ahead and click on the Meta Accounts Center. So if you click on there, you will be brought to your Meta account where you have your Facebook and maybe even an Instagram account connected to. So what you want to do is simply hit personal details right over there. And then here you can actually see at the top, contact info. Now I currently only have one email address and not another one or a phone number because I don't have a phone number connected to this account. But let's say you do have, then it will show up right here. Now here you can actually add a new contact as well. And then here you can actually add mobile number or email address. So let's say this is a phone number right here and you want to remove this. So you can actually here click on delete email address or delete phone number, delete the old one and then add a new one like I just showed you right over here with the add phone number button. And that's basically how to change Facebook phone number. And yeah, if this video was helpful, let me know and then I will see you next time.